and we take this pencil, which is we our tunnel when we're done with it, or pen. Punch the hole through space, and there you have your wormhole. Folding space, and as it's going through, this is like our little tunnel, like our first mouth, and our exit mouth right here. Okay, you getting it?
Wow, yeah.
This is what, like, my example of a wormhole would be, and it's like how, it's like an outside force. Like something goes in one way, comes out the other way. Do you understand?
What is it?
Yeah.
I don't remember off the top of my head.
Hey Marty,
What's up, Malik?
what's going on?
Good.
How's it going?
Good. How are
How's
you?
life?
Good.
How's your kids?
I got two of them. No, they're all good.
Really?
Yep.
What's your name?
Malik, Tyler.
It's really cool names. All right, I got a question for you
What's
today.
that?
Do you know what that is?
I was saying that.
You don't?
No.
There's matter there.
You sure?
Pretty positive.
I like the
Do you know what dark matter is?
No.
It is.
Alright, good. Alright, I want to take you for a walk.
Okay.
So, I'm going to explain to you what dark matter is in the scientific way and the dumbed down way. See, dark matter is a material that is postulated to exist, space taking in several forms with different particles. Well, let's say invisible forms. See, dark matter is invisible to the naked eye, the human naked eye, not weird way. Okay.
Are you sure?
So, you see there's matter everywhere in space and here on Earth. We can't see it though. That's why we use special powerful instruments to find out all these matters. You know, that's what scientists do. Because see, if we didn't have that, would we even know what dark matter is? Or even just matter itself? So, dumbing it down, basically what dark matter is. It's invisible matter that is here on Earth and in space. It affects the gravitational pull for both. And it's matter that we can't see. It's invisible. So, that's really it. It's dark matter. See, I thought I did have a pie chart or something to demonstrate. Do you have any?
I don't think so.
Oh, dang.
Man, I'm looking everywhere for you. You left this in my pocket.
I left it in your pocket?
You left this in my pocket.
Okay.
Yep, there you go.
Alright, so this is the pie chart that I drew up. So basically this is matter in space. That's what we're talking about. And we were talking about Earth matter, but mainly space matter. So this 5% right here is showing what matter that we know of, matter that we can determine, matter that we can explain. See, dark matter, it's half and half. We know what it is.
Excuse me, there's a guy in our frame right there. The guy who just gave us the
I think we should
paper.
ask him what dark matter is.
Yeah.
Hey, you. Hey, can we ask you a question? Like, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, little guy. Okay. Do you know what's going on in this?
The darker your poop is?
Your what?
Poop?
Do you know what dark matter is? Dark energy? Do you know what matter is itself? Gosh, you should have been with us earlier. Well, I'm gonna explain even more. This is matter that we know here on Earth and in space, right? 27% is dark matter that we know of, but it's not explainable. Dark energy, we can't even explain. It's literally not existent, but yet it still is. So, you kind of get what I'm saying? You do? Okay. Have a good day. Alright guys, so that's basically explaining what dark matter is. Alright. So you got the interview. Whew. Space time to hope that's what it is. Alright. Oh. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Hi, do you know where Professor Compton's office is?
Yeah, it's the first door to the left.
Left? No.
Left.
Where do I go? Yeah, just go that way.
Yeah. Yep. Boom. Right. You got it?
Yep,
Alright,
hopefully so. I don't know what I'm doing here. Sir, do you know where Professor Compton's office is? A lady at the front desk, she just went. I don't know.
Oh, it's right down the hall, first room to the left.
First room to the left?
Yeah,
Alright,
just
thank
right
you,
down
sir.
this hallway. Yeah, sure.
Have a good day. Interview. Let's go. Professor Compton? Oh.
Hello. No.
You're Professor Compton?
Yes, sir. Yes, I am.
No, this is my resume. No, this is my resume.
All right.
So, I came for the space-time, continuum, dark matter, wormholes.
Oh, Malik, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Nice to meet you. Yeah. All right, so
So basically I came because this job is really important. I love science, I love space, astronomy, astrophysics, physics, all of that. And I know kind of a lot about those things, but it would help if you gave me like tips and more information on what those things are really about. So, can you?
didn't you write a little article about dark matter?
Ah, yeah, I did. Did you
Alright.
see the video I made?
Yeah.
Did
I
you
just
like
saw
it?
Yeah, it was really interesting. I have a little more information on that, and we'll go over a little bit on space-time continuum. But
You're
see
really
this?
busy, aren't you?
Oh yeah, man. This is a mess. I don't have a trash can in here. They
If it's too personal, was that a Spider-Man folder?
maybe.
Okay. Sorry.
All right. So this is a black hole.
Yes.
We're gonna go over these in a little bit more in a little bit second. But for
Matter.
dark matter, this is an axion particle. And these things are like kind of what the dark matter's made of. So when dark matter crosses over the black hole, this is how we detect it, a way of detecting it. When it crosses over, it causes these axion particles to multiply and just keep multiplying. And there's this big mess, and then they collide together and they make gravitons. Now this is graviton, and this is what makes gravity, theoretically. That's all. I mean, it's a little more in depth. Even though we can't see it, we can detect it.
So, when I did my research, there is dark matter that we cannot determine. Is there ever going to be a time later in the future we will determine all matter?
For sure. One day we'll have powerful technology to do that. All right, so now we'll go into black holes, space, and gravity. Do you know how black holes are formed? Because they don't always just black holes.
Not specifically, but I kind of got a glimpse of how it goes.
Well, just to, for information, is a red giant or like a really big star or sun. Now, this planet, or this satellite, this star, is so big and it is burning all these fuels. When it runs out of all of its fuel, it goes empty. And when it's empty, the mass of it collapses and it forms a black hole. So it's continuing to collapse on itself and create what we know as black holes.
So, basically like a huge vacuum, kind of.
Kind of. And it's collapsing so much that even light cannot escape. There's a little light particle and it just gets sucked in.
So actually, like, I know it's not professional, it's like Kirby. Like, once you
Like
start
Kirby.
going,
Exactly like Kirby. Exactly like Kirby. So
it happen.
we'll go over. We're going over these just scrap pieces of paper example. So imagine this is space. When you get this gravitational surge collapsing on itself, creates this hole in the space-time continuum, where there's this masses out. How that influences influences space. You got things that just travel into it and continue, and then things are being pulled towards it.
So can you basically just say that, I know it's not professional to ask this, but can you put that in the most simple, dumb form? I know
Inescapable mass.
Inescapable mass.
Things coming to it.
Boom, can't
Just,
escape.
just can't escape. It's just there.
It's
There's a window or something.
spicy. No, wait, no.
Yeah, here. Excuse me.
Oh, it's pretty bright out there. Goodness. Great day today.
So, gravity is what influences everything. It even influences dark matter. Dark matter is what kind of keeps things in galaxies together, because some galaxies don't look like they have enough mass, but we don't see all this mass, and it's what keeps them together. I don't know much I can tell you before going into like a whole class or something.
Is that
Again, really good resume. We'll go over one more time.
it's good?
Yeah.
Tried really hard on
There,
that.
have the free axion particle, or graviton particle. And you're good, you have the job.
Thank you.
I'll see you next week on Monday.
Alright.
We're done.
Alright. Interview time, let's go. Hopefully I get this job.
Oh, I think I go here.
Excuse me. Do you know where Dr. I messed up already. I can't. Why do I keep thinking of doctor? Doctor
Yeah,
Professor
what's up?
been around in the back like.
No, Tyler, follow behind me, like, pop your bald head up.
No, what if I'm just laying down at the end?
Follow behind me, like, put your head over my shoulder all the time.
Yeah, why would I do that though? And I get, it would be just like a little.
Our crew at work right now.
We'll be like, what the heck is that?
This is just me and Malik too. And
But if we gotta do that, we gotta wait because you know.
Pie chart determining space matter that we know of. Well, as you can tell, we only know 5% of.
wait, there's some guy in the frame.
Where'd you come from?
Oh, I'm not supposed to be here.
Okay. So, 5% of matter. 5. I messed up, dude. I did have a pie chart. Here, do you have one?
Oh man, look at her! I forgot I'm just in my bed. Did I go too soon?
Yeah. Why is it there?
What's up, everybody? I hope you enjoyed the video. This was astrophysics from me and Jaden. Thanks to Brittany, Tyler, and Marty for helping on the video. This is my cat Mouse. She's a little cutie. Yeah. All right. So, this video wasn't really hard to make, but it was kind of easy at the same time. You know, it was iffy here and there. It was really fun. Honestly, you can tell we had a lot of fun at the end. Some little bloopers and cuts like that. Physics overall wasn't really that difficult. There were difficult like times in it when Lusk would leave, things like that. You know, it would get rough because he wasn't there. He couldn't help us. But I like physics. I've learned a lot. You know, gravity and forces. Yeah, I'll remember inertia. That's everywhere in the world. It happens all the time. But I hope you all had a great first and second semester on physics. I did. I enjoyed it so much. But Lusk, I really appreciate you for teaching me all of this stuff, because really, I would have never known this if I would have never took physics. And I would say more, but this video is already like super duper long. So, yeah. Guess that's it. Yeah, this is my sister's. Ooh, look at the scarf. Ooh. Alright, peace out. Really quick, I felt like Milo was left out. This is Milo, my other cat. He's holding on to his bed because he was sleeping. I know, I'm kind of messed up. But I hope you guys have a wonderful summer, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day, and gracias for watching.